Oh, may usay pala. Ano ba kayo?
4 and 4. We don't aim it.
Pura mo si Rachel.
Eh kasi naka-medyas tapos naka-sandas eh. Hindi ka na
Alright, wait for your jump.
Baka na lang.
Alright, and back up if you need to. Alright, that's key. Always keep the ball in the front.
Lalo itong ano, film.
Follow the bouncing ball. You got the ball. Follow it. Go, follow the ball.
Yes! Go!
Ah!
Alright? That was good.